What's up, everybody? Tim here. It's early Sunday morning. We're gonna hit up a flea market that we haven't been to yet. It's somewhat local to us, but it's kind of small. So we're gonna go and check it out. See what they got. See how much their prices are. I might want to try to set up there on a Sunday or something just to get rid of some stuff. We'll see though. All right, we're about to head out. Sink strainers. Sink strainers. What's your stick? What was the process? Is that the price of them? What was the price of them? Some of those too? Yeah. Okay.
Que sea negra la pinza. ¿De plástico? Sí. Esta de tiempo.
Oh, it's fine. Is that just the charger or something? Or? Oh, I think I see it.
Yeah, it's all.
Oh no, that's just a charger thing.
Everything is there. Oh, yeah.
Is there an iPod in there?
No.
Oh, okay. That's what I was thinking. It was.
The iPod is nice, but everything else is there. It's never used.
Yeah. Alright, I think I'm done. Yeah. I didn't even count it. I don't know how much trouble I'm in yet.
$5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Good?
Yeah. I'm good with it.
I'll back with me.
Alright, so we're back home now. I bought a few things. It's actually a pretty small flea market, probably the smallest flea market I've ever been to. It's been there for a couple of years, but I'll show you what I got. I got this at one of the guys' places. Boulder Gate, 4 games, 4 in 1 box set. They're all in there. I don't think it's worth a whole lot. I used to play that game a long time ago though. But I also got this one, Star Wars Galaxies and Empire Divided. I didn't notice until I got into the car though. that it is missing one of the 3 discs and the papers and everything. The discs are in pretty good shape. The outside's pretty beat up though. You can see it's cracked right there. I think that's a pretty good one if you have all of it. I might be able to sell the disc individually though. But that was from the first guy that I bought from. And he threw this in for free. I didn't really want it, but he was pretty much giving them away. They're not really worth anything. Oh. Duck Dynasty bobblehead. So yeah. The next thing I bought was this. This lady had a whole bunch of these, like half a pallet of these, just in the cases. They looked a little weathered, but this is I took a picture of the side of one of the cases. It's Happy Garden and Pond Company. I could not find this company, but what it is, it's an adjustable 120 to 200 gallons per hour submersible pond pump. I think it says on there. Yeah, 120 to 200 gallons per hour. She wanted $3 a piece for these, so I went ahead and bought one just to see what I could do with it. It might be something I'll look into, and if it's worth it, I might go back and buy a case or all the cases if it's worth getting into. All right, and all the rest of the stuff I got from the same guy. All this was I think the last guy I went to, and he had a sectioned off, and everything that I bought was in the 50-cent section. He said it's all going to the dump if it doesn't get bought today. So I picked this thing up. It's a little damaged. I don't know if it's damaged, but the propellers are not on there. I did see them down there in the bottom. He said he didn't know. This guy said he buys pallets, so this is probably return stuff. I figure for 50 cents, I'm gonna give it a shot. It's not really to sell. I'm gonna let one of my kids play with it if I can get it to work. But I also got this for one of the kids. It does have a little layer in it, so I think I can pump that back up and just play with it. This is for our game shelf, Trash Pandas. It's like a younger kid's game, so that's for us. Some kind of heater, Chicago Electric Power Tools, which I know that's a Harbor Freight brand, I believe. Probably not worth a whole lot, but it's still brand new in a package, and 50 cents, you know. What is this? Stud finder. Went ahead and picked it up. It's hard not to buy stuff when it's all 50 cents. These are all 3 Android chargers, 50 cents a piece. I'll keep those. I have other things that use those chargers, and plus my phone I use most of the time when I'm garage selling is an Android. These 2 games, never heard of this one. Technomancy, The Shadow War. Oh, it's for a mod for Unreal Tournament 2004. No barcode. Looks like it's brand new almost, but yeah, I went ahead and grabbed that. And then this PC game, Oblivion, the Elder Scrolls. Is that a demo disc maybe? Yeah, there's disc 1, disc 2. Yeah, so it should all be there. Yeah, don't really know if it's worth a lot, but when you see games for 50 cents, they're hard not to buy. And then some of these look like they were older ones, so I don't really know. I went ahead and grabbed them. If not, I got kids that'll play with them. They're not worth anything. I know some of the older ones are worth a little bit. That one looks like it's getting a haircut. So yeah, some of My Little Ponies. That's it in that bag. So this one was the same 50 cent sale. And this thing, some kind of massager. The box is busted open. It's probably returned. Don't really know if it's worth a lot. If not, I'll donate it back. That's a dirt cheap tag, so wall sticker, wall light. I don't really know. We'll see. Yeah, I guess it has this in it, this chef thing. And then these hopefully there's some money in these. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff I think was worth much. So these are Philips EW Cove QLX power cord LED 12-inch. They're like under counter lights, and they're all still brand new, instructions and everything. Yeah, so 3000K. Yeah, I think you have to have a special cord to hook those up. I might have one of those somewhere, but I kind of looked these up. I seen some on there for like $25, $30. So, and I got 7 of those for 50 cents each. Hopefully, I got some money in there. Maybe this will be something. Don't really know if the place I'll go and sell stuff. It wasn't really busy, and there was maybe 7 or 8 vendors there total. The one guy I bought most of the stuff from looked like maybe a pretty good guy to visit whenever he gets pallets and stuff in. He likes to sell his stuff cheap and fast, it looks like. I think this was the tail end of his last couple of pallets though, so. But anyway, I might go back next weekend on Sunday because they're open Saturday and Sunday just to check it out one more time, see what's up, maybe check into those pool pumps again. All right, well, that's everything. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.